Starting now. Sumama ang anomalies. Anomalies? Ano ba yan? Anomalies? Guys, nakakatakot guys. Pwede na akong mag-chat dito guys. Tignan nyo guys. Wait. Bakit pala? Hi. Oh, diba guys? So, mag-antay lang kayo guys kasi maingay dito guys dahil umuulan. Yes guys, umuulan siya. Pero ang bagal natin, ganun. Makakatakot guys, first pa lang natin. Kasi tayo lang mag-isa.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot. Great. Now open the window. Let everyone... Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Make it fast. Wait lang. Kumakaantay mo. Narinig nyo ba guys ang salita? Kung hindi, wala lang. Cheap ko lang guys. Ang ingay dahil maulan dito sa amin guys. Ayan, meron na tayo. Wait lang po sir ha. Next customer.
Hey, one shawarma, please. Sure, that'll be 150.
Okay. No problem, sir. Ma. No. Ako lang din. Nakakatakot na siya, guys. Valentine's na guys. Ano ba yan? Valentine's tapos nakakatakot. Dapat hindi.
Here you go. Finally, smells amazing.
Ang mo ah. Joke lang guys. Next customer. Hello? Somebody call 911? Turn off natin kasi OMG. 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 Oh my god. What's that? Hindi ka alis? Kapag binuksan ko, nakakatakot ka. Wait lang, papasalitaan muna natin, guys. Are you okay, bro? Bro, are you teleporting? What the hell? OMG! Kinakain mo yung meat! What are you doing? Bro! This is insane. Are you okay? Neil. Kakang ganda. Mahagay ko na Shut up, bro.
That's 150.
Wait lang po. Bakit nakakatakot ka, ate? Parang zombie. Joke lang. Ang ganda mo kaya. Ayan na naman, nagsalita na yun. Panalila ko. Sorry guys. I'm so sorry. Huwag ka naman bash. Sana meron mag-heart or like or subscribe. Ayan na nga. Sabi ko nga. Hala. So ano pala yun? Kapag meron dito is yung ibig sabihin meron. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Gusto mo dito ka? Bilis, dito ka! Alam mo, Ano, hindi ako natatakot sa iyo. Hello? Para ka dyan, butiki. Diba?
One shawarma, please.
Wait lang, sir.
Long day. My head hurts. I keep feeling pressure on one side.
Oh,
That's 150.
Shut up. I know. Gusto mo ikaw yung kainin ko? Rar. Haha. Ay, joke lang. Sorry na. Sana makasurvive ako dito. Wala na tayong meat. Kasi kinain ng ano yung butiki.
Here you go. Thanks.
Thanks.
My head feels better when it was warm. Alright, that will be
Bakit boto ka na lang, te? Hello?
Seriously? You just posted in my face? I've been starving all day.
Bakit ko? Hindi ka pa, sir. Sir! Sir! Umalis ka dapat. Somebody customer? Wala, hindi siya na bumibili. Ang sungit ko daw. Hindi naman ako masungit. Hindi ako masungit, guys. Promise. Ito na. Ay, ito na. Mentionado! Bakit bumabalik ka? Galit ka pa. Ako na nga yung bumibili. Oh, shut up. Tangina. Sino ba yan? Buksan mo! OMG, nalaga ko guys. OMG. OMG. Oh my God. Wait lang, sir. Ano kasi, ano dito? Bakit ayaw? Bakit ayaw? Start with flowers. Flowers. Huh? What the hell is no? No, I don't wanna serve to you. Malagyat ako ah. Ano ba yun?
Seriously, you just closed it in my face.
Bakit
I've been
ba?
starving today.
Ang pangit mo kasi. Sobrang pangit mo kaya. Sobrang pangit mo. Pangit mo kasi pangit mo. So guys, dito muna tayo mag-end ng video dahil medyo mahaba na to guys. So comment na lang part 2 guys. Bye! Kasi meron pa kasing ganun day 2. Mag-comment kayo guys.